Imagine you're about to send a large sum of money internationally. You've chosen Tangerine Bank for its simplicity and competitive rates. But then, a question pops up. Does Tangerine Bank even have a SWIFT code? The answer might surprise you. Let's dive into the world of international banking and find out if Tangerine Bank is equipped to handle your global transactions. What is a SWIFT code, exactly? It's a unique identifier that banks use to communicate with each other internationally. Think of it as the postal code of the banking world. It helps ensure that your money gets to the right place, quickly and securely. Now, you might be wondering why a bank like Tangerine, known for its online-only approach, would need a SWIFT code. Well, the truth is, even if you're primarily an online banker, you might still need to deal with international transactions. Perhaps you're buying a property overseas, paying for a study abroad program, or simply sending money to a loved one in another country. Addressing the main question. So, does Tangerine Bank have a SWIFT code? The short answer is, drumroll please, no. Tangerine Bank doesn't have a traditional SWIFT code. But before you panic, let's explore why that might be and what it means for you. Explaining the alternative. Tangerine Bank, being a Canadian online bank, uses a different system for international transfers. Instead of a SWIFT code, they rely on a domestic transfer system known as the Automated Clearing House (ACH) network. This network is primarily used for domestic transactions, but it can also handle certain types of international transfers. However, the ACH network has some limitations. It's not as widely used as the SWIFT network, and it might take longer to complete transfers. Additionally, not all countries have a direct connection to the ACH network, which could further complicate international transfers. Considering other options. If you need to send money to a country that doesn't have a direct connection to the ACH network, you might need to consider using a different bank or a specialized international money transfer service. These services often have their own fees and exchange rates, so it's important to compare your options carefully. While Tangerine Bank doesn't have a traditional SWIFT code, it still offers options for international transfers. However, it's essential to understand the limitations of the ACH network and consider alternative methods if necessary. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.